Cities have always been a beating heart of the world's economy. Today, the speed and scale of expansion is remarkable. The result? Big city turmoil. To combat this, there is a need among companies and authorities to go beyond traditional methods. And to seek avenues to not just build new infrastructures, but to upgrade existing ones. All in an effort to build a smart city. That's where we come in. Barco is a leading global technology company that designs and develops visualization solutions. Its solutions are tailor-made for a variety of selective sectors. Barco's presence is spread across the world, yet their dream is a bigger one. And that is to build an ecosystem that promotes not just quick and easy flow of information, but also the availability of the right information to the right individual at the right time. Today, Barco believes that if cities use the existing network in a smarter manner and more efficiently, they can cope with the upcoming challenges and truly make a difference. Barco offers smart city enterprise, healthcare and entertainment solutions. Today, Barco helps produce and transport oil and gas every day. Helps people keep in touch. Helps commuters get home safely every day. Supports security management. Facilitates half of the world's electricity transport. Controls visualization services for businesses across the world. Barco is where centralized and distributed decisions can be made. In the healthcare sector, Barco has a reputation for delivering dependable display systems and visualization solutions that are central to the provision of quality healthcare, supporting healthcare professionals through state-of-the-art solutions. Its comprehensive product offering includes leading-edge displays for radiology, mammography, surgery, dentistry, pathology, modality imaging, and other clinical displays for healthcare specialists. In the media sector, Barco's technology can always be experienced at some of the world's biggest events. Barco offers a competitive portfolio of products that makes every event an unforgettable experience. Other sectors include broadcast, digital cinemas, retail, advertising, and even simulation and virtual reality. Barco provides smart solutions for a smarter tomorrow. Better opportunities, better stability, better quality of life. It's the smart thing to do. Think about it. Barco, visibly yours.